Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Turnip. Turnip is a root vegetable. Root vegetable is a vegetable cultivated chiefly for its eatable roots. Turnip is commonly grown in temperate climates worldwide for its white, bulbous taproot. Turnips are high in vitamin C. The green leaves of the turnip are also used as vegetables. These are called turnip greens. Some other root vegetables are beet, carrots and radish. The enormous turnip. The enormous turnip is a story about a turnip which grew enormously. The old man who planted the turnip wants to pull it out. Was he able to do it alone? Did anyone help him? Let's see. The enormous turnip. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. An old woman came. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled. New words. Enormous. The whale is an enormous sea animal. Turnip. Turnip is a plant which has large, fleshy, edible, white or yellow root. Old man. The old man